EE101. I have a 12 volt power source, red's positive, white is negative, from a wall power source, DC. I've got the ground negative to the negative bus bar, positive to the positive bus bar, all throughout the breadboard. I've got a IRF Z44 power MOSFET. Gate pin 1 is the gate on Dyer 1, as you can see in the yellow wire. I've got the green wire going to ground for pin 3 of the MOSFET, and then the center position pin is for the positive when the gate is when the pin 1 gate DIO 0 is a 1 or on, about 3 to 5 volts, then this wire allows power to flow. It flows through the coil of the relay I have cracked open, connects to, this is connected to the positive,